Have you ever wondered what keeps your home safe from the hidden dangers of electricity? Every time you charge your phone, switch on a fan, or use your kitchen appliances, you're relying on a silent, powerful system working behind the scenes. The earthing process. While circuit breakers and good wiring are essential, they're not enough on their own. Without proper earthing, even a small electrical fault can turn dangerous, leading to shocks, damage to your appliances, or even fires. So, how does the earthing process actually protect your home's electrical system? Earthing provides a safe path for stray or fault currents to flow directly into the ground. Instead of that energy finding its way through you or your electronics, it's redirected harmlessly into the earth. Imagine a lightning strike near your home or a sudden power surge from a faulty appliance. Without earthing, that energy has nowhere to go. But with the right earthing setup, your electrical system absorbs and safely discharges that extra energy, protecting everything. Now, you might have heard the terms earthing and grounding used interchangeably. And while they're similar, there's a technical difference. Earthing primarily refers to connecting non-current carrying parts of the electrical system to the ground, such as metal enclosures to protect people from electrical shocks. Grounding, on the other hand, deals more with current carrying parts and helps stabilize voltage levels in everyday operations. In residential systems, both are often combined and both are crucial. So, what happens if a home doesn't have a proper earthing system? Electric shocks from exposed metal parts. Voltage surges damage sensitive electronics. Overheated wires leading to fire hazards. And during lightning storms, injuries or structural damage can occur. Now let's discuss the earthing process. It all starts with a soil resistivity test. This tells us how easily the ground can conduct electricity. If the soil is rocky or dry, we enhance it using earth-enhancing compounds, such as Manav's Curec Plus or Curecon, to reduce resistance and increase safety. Next, the right electrode is selected, usually a solid copper or copper-bonded earth rod. In some homes where space is limited or the soil is difficult to work with, earth plates or mats are used instead. The electrode is installed deep enough to reach moist soil and connected to your home's main earthing terminal using a strong copper conductor. All exposed metal parts, including pipes, panels, and appliance frames, are bonded back to this terminal. Durable clamps and corrosion-resistant connectors keep everything secure. Manav's high-quality accessories ensure that these connections last for years, even in the most demanding environments. Once the system is in place, it's tested. A ground resistance value of under 5 ohms is usually ideal for homes, and the lower, the better. But it doesn't stop there. Just like any safety system, earthing needs maintenance. Over time, soil conditions change, connections loosen, or corrosion sets in. That's why periodic inspection and testing are key. And easy, especially when you use Manav's inspection chambers that keep joints accessible. So, what does a complete home earthing system include? A quality earth rod or plate, earth-enhancing compounds to improve conductivity, reliable clamps, conductors, and connectors, a well-bonded distribution panel, an accessible inspection chamber, and regular testing to keep resistance low. When all these elements work together, our home remains protected, regardless of the weather, power conditions, or faults. At Manav, our earthing ecosystem is designed to support every part of this process. From premium-grade copper rods to soil conditioning compounds and accessories, we offer a comprehensive system designed for optimal performance, durability, and safety. So if your home's earthing is outdated, corroded, or untested, now is the time to upgrade. In the world of electricity, safety isn't optional. It's essential.